Hello guys, as I said in the other video, I will be making this part of the genocide route right away. So same day, same everything. So it's literally like a second after of the other video. Whatever. Use the box. Yeah, who cares? Let's do that. Carrying too much. What should I drop then? I'll put something in the box. I'll put it in the box. Use the box. I think the cinnamon bun is the worst. So I'll do that. Put this there. Got the old tutu. I'll equip it. Now this we drop. Now we use the box. And we take our cinnamon bun, whatever you want to call it. Papyrus isn't. Papyrus, you there? No, Papyrus isn't even here. Dude. Something so I just love this music, guys. Let's die. First, we'll call us Next, after this genocide run, I'm gonna start a pacifist. Okay? Beat Sands, which is gonna be like two whole videos of figuring out his attacks. Yeah, the things are already done. Now it's a smiley face because I want to fight people. Okay, there we go. We could go down here if we want. I'm scared if it's better or worse than the Cinnabon. Screw it, dude. Let's see. Is it better? Yes, it's way better. The other, the cinnamon, I just wasn't very impressed. Oh, that's because I checked the thing. Oh my god, dude. It's because no one was here. Because I killed them all. Wash your hand. Sorry, Washua. I had to. Dude, this is really just like, Wait, does it allow me to go back? Alright, let me test that. Oh no, dude. It doesn't let me to go back. No. Come back, dude. No. I don't accept this because now I can't go back and get any kills. I just messed up the whole run. Extremely fucking. Am I able to encounter any monsters? Does it still grab the monster? Good. Guessing so, yeah, it does. Get away from me. Left. It still is nowhere to be seen. Oh yeah, I know the best. Oh yeah, guys, I know the best spot to grind kills. Wait, duck. I know the best spot ever to grind kills. It's this area. You get so much encounters. Like, it's literally impossible not to get one. Left it. There's 14 more. Let's go back to that chest. Nah. Would it be worth it though? I wouldn't want to get rid of the spider cider. No, but then I have just more spider ciders in the chest. I don't know, donuts. So I think I'm gonna get rid of the spider cider, guys. Okay. Now let's use. Now the tough glove you don't need. 13 left. I mean, 12. Technically, it's according to my calculations. There's 12 left. Onion sun, please don't appear. Please don't appear. Onion sun. Oh my god, yes, he didn't appear. It's the best day of my siren. My love increased. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. I know the pattern. Look, I'll do it first try. No, wait, I'll do it first try. No, I'll do it again. See? I knew it. I'm pretty sure I could play this whole set. Huh. No. Okay, I know how to do it. I just figured it out, but I'm just not gonna waste the time. Carrying too many dogs. The plane, the dog. The dog gives us sound effects. Now, when I go to my inventory, doggos do. So now we could throw away the worst thing in our inventory. How good is it infinite? One size, yeah, it's infinite HP. Like, cinnamon. Should I? Yeah, I'm gonna throw away cinnamon. The dog residue is based on luck. If you don't know. Sometimes it gets dog salad, and then it could heal all of your HP in one shot. It heals 99 HP if it's literally garbage. Pretty sure it fills up all of your HP. But it's overpowered, and if it's 5 times well, it heals like 40. It's overpowered. But sometimes it could be bone, which only heals. Okay, I have it. So now it could be bone, which only heals 2 HP, which really sucks. If you're really unlucky, you could get that. But still, it's luck based. Yo, can't hold on to the umbrella either. Walking anyway. I guess I'll go with you. Haha. Yeah, I know that. I always never hold the umbrella. Because I hate monster kids. It's so annoying. It's kind of like Alphys and Papyrus. They just call you every single time you do something. I mean Alphys and Papyrus, not Vine and Papyrus. I'm pretty sure I said Undyne amplifiers. I meant, well, Undyne doesn't even have my phone number. So let's just do the glitch, the running glitch. If you hit the side button and then up and down at the same time, it makes you run for some reason. It doesn't do it from regular. It doesn't do it regularly. Yeah, it says this. Ow, yo, try being less rough. Anyway, I'll look for another way here later. I don't know how it sounds. It's probably like, oh, the lens of the wrong. It probably sounds like my forbidden dream. No, I don't want to go there yet. Wait, no, I can't go back, dude. No, dude. I just messed up my whole genocide run. Dude, I just messed up my whole genocide run. I'm done. I'm such an idiot.